fellow dreamers and doers. Dive deep into a topic that's close to breaking the matrix of financial limitations and paving your path to success. So, buckle up because we're about to embark on a journey that could change your life forever. First things first, let's talk about the matrix. It's not just a sci-fi concept, it's the web of beliefs and societal norms that keep us trapped in a cycle of financial struggle. You know, those thoughts like, money is scarce, or only the lucky few get rich. Well, today, we're smashing those barriers. Imagine this: a world where you truly believe in abundance, where taking risks isn't a gamble, but a calculated step towards growth. That's the mindset shift we're aiming for. It's about rewiring your thoughts to see opportunities where others see obstacles. Now let's get practical. Financial success starts with literacy. Understanding how money works, saving smart, investing wisely, that's your foundation. And it doesn't stop there. Diversifying income, exploring new ventures, that's how you build real wealth. Here's the thing. Dreams without action are just fantasies. Start by setting clear goals, specific, measurable goals. Budget your finances, develop habits that support your journey, and seek guidance from those who've walked this path before. So, my friends, as we wrap up, remember this: breaking the matrix isn't a one-time event. It's a commitment to continuous growth and learning. Start today, start small, and watch as your dreams turn into your reality.